everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing these lashes right here. They are by the brand iMethod Beauty. They're adhesive eyeliner eyelash kit. It says it has 6 false lash sets, 1 lash adhesive black liner pen, 1 lash adhesive clear eyeliner pen, and 1 lash applicator tweezers. We're gonna get right into this. I am going to be applying these like lash extensions because that's the way I like to apply my lashes. So let's go ahead and look at these beauties. So this is how they look. I think I'm gonna go in with the very top ones. I really do like that. I don't know if I should do these or the more wispy type. I may do these ones. I think those would look really pretty. So like it says, it does come with these kind of tweezers. I'm not the biggest fan of these for applying them the way I do. I'm just going to use my, I believe, I don't even know which one these are. Just some that are shaped like this. And then it does come with the clear and not clear. So it comes like that, as you can see. So these must be magnetic lashes, which I'm not applying them that way. And then this is the clear, which is, I've never seen the clear before. So that's pretty cool. So that's pretty cool. Okay. So I'm going to be using the Lynx lash glue. And then I'm going to be cutting these up. So I am going to be using these lashes. I think I'm going to go with these ones right here. I think those will look really pretty. The band looks kind of thick though, so we'll see. So I like to grab them from the outside. Grab this part and then pull. And then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut this lash band in half because that's just like really thick. It would be fine to apply on top of your lashes, but the way I'm applying it, it's a little too thick. Okay, so now I cut the lash band off. So now I'm just going to go ahead and go in and cut these into the last segments that I want. So I'm going to start with like little pieces like this. And then I'm going to put the glue on top of it like that. Just like that. And then I'm going to go in with my next piece. And again, same thing. Apply the glue right here. At the base. Let it get a little tacky. Just like that. And I'm just going to keep doing this. Okay, so I'm done with that side. So that's what it looks like from the side, on top, head on, And then like that. They're super, super pretty. I do love the way this turned out. It's so pretty. It's really like full on. It has like a really fluffy look. They're so pretty. I love applying lashes like this. And literally this is all, oops. So this is all that I did not put on out of that whole lash. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply this side and put some makeup on and show you guys what it looks like when I'm completely finished. Okay, so that is how they turned out. They are super, super pretty. I absolutely love these. This is my favorite way to do my lashes. Like, I just cut them up and glue them on underneath, and I think they look absolutely beautiful. I did use that second roll like I had said, but these other ones would also look really pretty. I will be using all these like this. If you do like just the magnetic lashes, you could just do this and it would be fine. As you can see, they stick, and look, as you can see. I mean, they get a pretty good hold onto the skin. So if that is something that you're interested in, that does work. It also works with the clear really well. So it just depends on how you want to apply them. I personally like applying them like this because I don't have to take them off for a week and a half. I can keep these on and not have to take them off. So that's why I prefer doing it this way. But if you do just want to use it like the magnetic way, I mean, look at this. Like, it got a pretty good hold. As you can see, like, I'm really tugging, and as you can see, it is staying on. So it just depends on what your preference is. This is my preference. But the glue, this is actually a really good glue. And as you can see, it doesn't like just rub off. It's a really good glue. Their eyeliner is really good and really hard to get off. You have to use oil to get it off because it is so good. I absolutely love these lashes though. I am definitely a fan, big fan of this brand. I will be linking where you can actually purchase these down in the description box below if you guys are interested. They would look really pretty applied with these lash adhesives. I am actually going to keep these because if I ever do want to just wear them on top of my lashes, I'm going to try to start growing out my lashes because from wearing lash extensions so much, I've noticed that it has damaged my lashes. This is actually a way to where you'll have absolutely no damage to your lashes. So this is actually a really, really good option. The way that I apply them, it is damaging on the lashes. So I'm going to probably keep these just so that when I am growing out my lashes, because it takes about 6 weeks for me to grow them out, I'm going to be using this growth serum that works amazing. And you guys will be able to see the difference when I do that. So if you want to see that, don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be reviewing that, and it takes about 6 weeks to complete. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye. God bless.